What's going on, y'all? So today it is January 19th, 2021, and it is 9:33 p.m. and I'm here because I'm getting ready to take a walk, doing something that I've been attempting to do over and over and over again. And I truly believe this is my season to truly get it right this time. Cause we know we can't get time back, okay? So no more will I waste time and take my life for granted. So on January 19th, 2021 at 9:33 p.m., matter of fact 9:34 p.m., this is my declaration that I am changing my emotional behaviors by committing, submitting, being consistent, and just reminding myself that I still got time, but only if I do right by what God has given me, beginning with my body, beginning with the very temple, the very vessel that He works through. And so on tonight, I'm going to weigh myself in. And this is not even about just being heavy, but just a transition from the inside out. I've gone through a lot of hurt. I've gone through a lot of pain. I've gone through a lot of brokenness. And the way I've been coping for years and years and years has created something that could be detrimental. And so I don't do this for just me, but I give back to God what He's given me, this very body. So I encourage myself daily to be a great steward over what God has given to me. Because He is a God that restores. He is a God that can mend every broken piece and put it back together again so that it can be used with the intentions that it was created to be used. And so again on tonight, I commit to a lifestyle change for my place in the kingdom, for my purpose in the kingdom, for the value that I bring to the kingdom. I no longer worry about being accepted by people because I know who I am and whose I am. And as long as God accepts me, that's all that matters. No longer do I worry if people are going to walk out on me, because I know God never walks out on me. And if they do walk out on me, they were never for me. And so on this day, January 19, 2021, I know who I am. I know my worth. I know my value. And I know that there are so many things that God has in store for me in my life. And so tonight, I'm going to do a quick weigh-in. And then I'm just going to take y'all with me on this journey every day. And just know some days may not be as pretty as others. Some days the energy may not be as high as others. But it's all about the commitment. It's all about the consistency. In order to see change, we have to become the change. And so y'all come with me to the scale. No more shame. No more fear. That's out the window. So come with me. Let me turn the camera. And put the light on there too. I don't think I can do it that way, so let me just... Okay. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see that? I hope so. Alright. Y'all see that? God has great things in store. 325 pounds. Never been that big. But this is the beginning to something beautiful. And so I look forward to y'all joining me on this journey. Just come with me. Come with me. Believe with me. All right? I'll see y'all tomorrow.